Be honest with me, when you sit down to study, do you actually study, or do you just read your notes from start to finish, hoping something sticks? Here's the truth. Reading isn't the same as learning. Today, I'm going to share 3 powerful study hacks, plus a bonus tip at the end that can transform the way you learn. I promise, tip number 3 is the game changer most students have never tried. 1. Question recall. If you're studying theory-heavy subjects, this method will save you hours. Here's how it works. 1. Read your notes once, quickly. Don't try to memorize everything. 2. Turn each key point into a question. 3. Then, test yourself only using your questions, no notes allowed. If you get stuck, check the answer and move on. You'll realize most questions are easier than you think, and the hard ones are the only ones you need to review. This technique trains your brain to actively recall, and you'll retain information faster than by rereading your notes for hours. 2. Power nap. If you start to feel sleepy, sluggish, or your brain just refuses to focus, it's time for a 20-minute power nap. Here's the rule. Set an alarm for 20 minutes. Close your eyes and rest. Don't go beyond that. Wake up refreshed and ready to study again. Think of it like a brain reboot. 20 minutes is short enough to recharge without making you groggy. 3. Brain wave focus. This is a secret many top students quietly use. You'll need 2 things. 1. A pair of headphones. 2. A bottle of water. First, stay hydrated all day. Your brain can't focus without water. Then, search 40 Hz binaural beats on YouTube. Play it softly through your headphones while studying. These specific brainwave frequencies can boost focus and concentration. If you want, I can even drop a recommended track in the description. Try this once and you'll feel the difference. Bonus tip. 10-minute meditation. If you really want to level up your brain, practice mindfulness meditation for just 10 minutes before studying. It clears distractions, sharpens your focus, and makes learning feel smoother and faster. Do it daily for a week, and you'll notice your ability to concentrate skyrocket. Stop scrolling endlessly. Try these techniques today and trust yourself. Your brain is capable of more than you think. You just need to train it the right way. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which tip you're going to try first. You got this. Go crush those studies.